YouTube introduces a new way of marketing to make its audience engage through an audio advertising format for its podcast and music listeners. We may find audio ads are odd for a website that specializes in the video, but as per the reports of YouTube statistics, the audience is more likely to consume audio format interviews that is podcast and music on YouTube. As the YouTube is beginning to start its music journey in an audio format, this is going to be the revolutionary change into the digital marketing strategy for marketers to provide a new type of YouTube audio ads to the podcast listeners. Brands may be familiar in the video-based advertisements, but audio ads are entirely different, where marketers should make people visualize about their products through audible words. YouTube is emphasizing audio advertisements are the best suit for podcasts and music. And there is some audience who wants to listen rather than seeing a video. Let's go through what YouTube is announcing to its audience about the audio ads running in its renowned brand of YouTube. YouTube audio ads. Audio advertisements have different space now. There is a doubt how we can make people visualize about the product while listening. Usually, the pop-up ad will come when they are listening to showcasing the brand image of that particular audio advertisement. After months of an alpha statistical test, YouTube finalized that about 75% of audio advertisements are driving customers to know more about brands. And it's making sense in the audience to have the knowledge about particular audio advertisement brand to aware of its products or services. Audio ads are now in the starting stage of their development and available in the auction of Google Ads and Display and Video 360 on a cost per mile (CPM) basis. YouTube audio ads offer the advertisers the same targeting options and bidding strategies, as well as brand promotional measurement capabilities as same as YouTube video ad campaign. Advertisers can reach audience with audio ads. YouTube is primarily selling advertisers on audio platforms to reach out to the audience in the listening medium. As we all know, music is the most critical day-to-day activity in our lives. More than 50% of logged-in YouTube viewers will catch the music on the internet like 10 minutes a day for sure. Searches for artists and bands and songs dominate the YouTube search engine. Around 57 out of 100 are music searches in the YouTube platform. In addition to music videos and audios, YouTube is becoming a destination for live performances and concert. As the world is going through a bad phase, YouTube is becoming the platform for all music events and shows. Many YouTube channels are performing music festivals and live concerts, and YouTube channels become places for more interesting podcast stations. Many people feel odd while listening to radio advertisements, because the advertisement time limit will be like 5 minutes in a row, whereas if we observe in the YouTube audio ads, the time limit will be minimum of 10 seconds and maximum 30 seconds. This made many listeners come and enjoy in the YouTube music. ASMR is the competition for podcast and music. There is no question about the music and podcast are rising at a faster pace in YouTube, but it's not only the one way people are consuming. According to a study, the term ASMR is searched more than any music artist in the YouTube. ASMR is the most used searched query in the United States, like around 3.2 million searches, and it is the third most popular search as per World Wide Web. Inserting an audio advertisement in the ASMR video is a tricky job, but those videos made for people who want to relax by listening or seeing. Most of the ASMR video channels will be interested in allowing such audio ads, which are soft-spoken audios. For those who want to capture the market of ASMR video channels, they will not get much hype as they desired for. This is just an everyday knowledge transferring, just like food for thought. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.